We're celebrating a huge milestone today and I'm so excited to share about it. We hit 5 years at Min2Be Designs. Okay, we got the cake. Now let's go celebrate. Check out this cute cake that we got from our local market. I went ahead and just added some additional strawberries on top. I felt like that gave it more of a cute homesy vibe and not so store-bought. We're going to add some candles and let's blow it out together. Just celebrate this amazing 5 years. 3, 5. Oh. I really feel like the 5-year mark is a great milestone to celebrate. So we're celebrating it with a cake. I'm so happy that you've been here for this entire ride, whether you started from the beginning or whether you've recently found us here now. I'm so excited to have you here, so let's celebrate. This glow forge has been my tried and true for the past 5 years, and without it, I wouldn't have this business. And so I'm so lucky that I was able to have this and actually use it for my business. I feel like these past 5 years has been a roller coaster with so many different changes that happen here at Min2Be Designs. From selling physical products to having brand partnerships to doing tutorials and now focusing solely on digital products. We've done so many things over the whole wide spectrum of a business. So let's talk about the 5 big things that I've learned over these past 5 years. First things first, you're going to want to find your why, whether that's wanting to create an extra income for your family, whether you want your own creative freedom, whether you want to be your own boss and not have to work for someone, whatever it may be, you want to find your why. That way you could always gravitate back to it and be reminded of your reasonings why you started your business. Next, you'll want to determine what your favorite things are and what you want to do. So I'm not necessarily saying you want to niche down on a certain product type, but you also want to just be known for something and also enjoy the process of creating some things. That way, when you're actually creating things and sharing the behind the scenes, you could see the enjoyment of it, and people will be able to see that you genuinely have a passion for the things that you're creating. And with that, let me show you my current obsession. My current obsession is creating these little pop-up signature series. We have this little Min2Be mini Audrey, and then we have little characters like our little bunny. We also have other ones like the fairy that my little girls have already painted over, as well as the ballerina. And we have just a whole series that we're going to go through. And it's been so fun to just go through the whole series and have my community interact with ideas and the future of that series. Now, if you're planning on doing and focusing on physical products, something to remember is that simple sells. And what I mean by that is don't try to overcomplicate things, because frankly, when you have a complicated item, people may not want it. And if it's complicated, you're not going to want to make it often. So remember, simple sells. If you're not even a tech savvy, designer savvy kind of person, there's a huge market of digital SVG products that you could actually purchase and produce all of those products into physical items so that you could sell and make a profit yourself. Check out this cute little butterfly. It's not even put onto my wood border yet, but I am obsessed with this little butterfly that I've created. And it's so fun to see other people purchase this template and reproduce it to sell it themselves. It's so pretty. I'll make sure to link my product line down below. If you're new to the laser world and trying to figure out what you want to sell and that's simple, I would start off with ornaments, especially because right now we're kind of in the middle of the year. So rather than going and focusing on the things that are coming up or evergreen products, I would actually start promoting Christmas items. People love to do Christmas in July, and from there it just kind of skyrockets. So just get used to those products and start selling them. Having a community matters. So you want to make sure to start promoting your products and kind of also talking with your followers. And if you want to have a community of like-minded people, say for me, like artists, laser artists, and maybe even digital SVG file sellers, I am going to find this. I'm in this little group of fellow laser artists who primarily sell digital products, and I just love this group of women. They are so encouraging, and I just love that they have this grit and passion to just pursue and do better for the community and for their family. And this is just great people that I get to learn with, grow with, and support. So I encourage you guys to find your own community as well. You could always look for people on Facebook communities. TikTok has a great community, even Instagram and YouTube. So wherever you want to be on, just be on that platform and start commenting on people's posts, DM them and encourage them, and see where it goes. The last bit of encouragement for anyone that is looking to just get into the creative or the business world, I would say just start. Don't wait until you feel ready, because frankly, if I were to have waited until I was ready, I probably would have never even started. Also, I think showing people the behind the scenes of when you are trying to start, when you're trying to troubleshoot something and kind of itch that curiosity for other people, that's when people are going to want to buy something from you and see what's going on and actually engage with your content. So I encourage you to just test the water. Anyways, I've had so much fun just exploring and sharing, and I hope that this encourages you to do the same, whether you are in the business, wanting to start the business, or just here to explore and learn. I hope this encourages you to just be creative and explore your why. If you got to the end of this video, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite cake flavor is. And I'll see you on the next one.